So it's not even 8 yet. It's not even 8 yet. And Checkers has already delivered my order. Honestly, it got here around 10 to 8. I've got a bed. I'm leaving my stuff outside for a long time. But yeah, Checkers is everything. Checkers 6060 is everything. I needed plain yogurt for my kids and for the breakfast. I ordered around 7:30 and here we are. Oh gosh, what's going on? It's been delivered. Gosh, oh, I dropped it because I feel like I was flashing people. Let me just close. Gosh, icon. My gown kind of lifted up. And I was flashing. But yeah, let me quickly show you what I got. As a quick grocery haul, I got like chicken breast. And this is the main thing I needed. Yogurt for the soft porridge. Got tomato paste because I want to make them pizza. The reason why I want to make pizza is because I bought a whole lot of cheese 2 weeks ago. No one is eating it and I feel like it's gonna go off at this point. So I want to make pizza for them. Guys, to make my life easy when I make pizza, I use this dough because I just don't feel like flour. What's going on now? I look like I've got mouth boogers. Yeah, I use this pizza Eureka Mills. I've been using this for years now. It makes my life easy. Just add oil and water and that's it. That's it. Makes best thingy. And then I gave in because, you know, guys said that pure soap is expensive everywhere. So I had to buy it because my kids need to bathe. They need to bathe. They need to bathe. Otherwise they pass with just water. So I gave in and bought the soap. And, ooh, it fell. Cooking off because I was being frugal. Like, oh gosh, it's so expensive. I'm gonna buy a little one and it's like kapush gone because they're always frying their own eggs these days. And so yeah, that's my quick little grocery haul for the morning. I am going to take a shower quickly and then make people breakfast. Maybe I should just boil water while I go take a shower so that when I come back I make instant porridge for the kids.
Close the door out the window so it doesn't go out. What is that?
I always tell my kids not to cry wolf. And now apparently there's a bird in the house. I haven't been. Go tell daddy how apparently there's a bird in the house. They've been saying, and I didn't believe them because they're always pranking. Always. Oh my gosh. Ooh. There it is. Coming out in our house. I really. Where did it come in? Because I didn't even open the windows here. No, it spoke. Or whatever.
We've been telling you.
It's speaking. Did you hear that?
We've been hearing that. I thought you heard that. That's what was saying. Guys, if you guys didn't know, birds are not real birds. They're actually cameras, so the government can spy on us.
Oh, so that's the government spying on us.
Yeah.
Mama says that's the government spying on us.
Come, let's take out the bed. Come, let's take out the bed.
They're scared. They're scared. They're scared of it.
Scared.
It speaks.
You see the poop there?
Let's go. Let's go take out the bed. I'm coming, baby, okay? Come. That won't be the sheet. Baby's gone. Say bye-bye, baby.
Who can wipe the
Let's
poop?
go check that baby's gone.
Now you guys must stop crying, Wolf. So I didn't believe y'all.
Well,
Honestly,
Let's go.
we were attacked by a bird. And it pooped.
and it peed.
It was a pee.
I think so.
Ew, I'm taking another shower. I stepped on the wet stuff. I stepped on the ew. Oh, pooped on my couch. It pooped on my couch.
Really, bird?
And apparently it peed all over the house.
I just.
What's all this water? Apparently it peed as well. I think I stepped on the pee. I think I stepped on the pee.
Ooh, you're making pizza.
I was, but now I'm traumatized.
And you were saying.
No, you guys always cry wolf. Where's Nhlelo?
Michelle.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Basani.
Basani, what you so scared of? I look just the camera. No. Say hi and say out.
Go upstairs. We'll go watch a movie in my room, okay? Just saying it. Were you scared of the bird? Did you see it? What color was it?
Blue.
Oh, okay. Come here, my papa. Nhlelo, did you touch the bird poo?
Ew.
Yes, he did. Can someone go put water? Oh, Nhlelo.
No, that means bad
Did you
luck.
touch? No.
That means bad luck.
There's no bad luck nonsense in my house. Superstition, Mr. Stupins. Bad luck's afoot. What are you looking for? Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Why would you touch the poop? Let me see your other hand. We don't touch poo-poo. But it doesn't have... Rafumo, I sat in the bathtub. I want to bathe him.
Oh.
My goodness. But wash his hands, though. Go wash your hands. From here, the birds. They're just singing. Let's say they're just singing. Yeah, today the birds. Hey, what's happening today with the birds? Those big birds were fighting each other. No. Today I think it's...
Malfunctioning.
Oh, Rafumo says the birds are malfunctioning. It's hectic. It's hectic today with the birds. And then Rafumo saying that it's people spying on us. The government. Please, propaganda. What have the birds done? They've lost their minds. You know what, now we should be careful of the things we say in front of our kids. Like, honestly, I've kept on saying the birds have lost their minds, and now Letty thinks that the bird have what? The birds have what? The other day I said something about the jets that were flying on top of our house, and then she said something that we were like, and I thought, I said they're going to do stuff to us, and then she's like, oh, let's do stuff to them. People, they do stuff to us, you know what I'm saying? So we must be careful what we say in front of our kids. I bet you the birds today are having a field day. They are singing. Letty keep saying they're singing. Go sing with them outside.
I don't want to.
Why?
They're gonna make me scared.
They're gonna make you scared, eh? Let me carry on cleaning my house. What a very birdy morning and a very poopy one. Like, no one's gonna clean that poop. And if I don't, it's gonna dry. So I need to go clean that poop. Don't even have time to get tripods. I'm just gonna clean it off camera because wowzers, now Nhlelo is touching it. Go upstairs so I can give you guys a bath, okay? Sorry. Yeah. No, you'll first have porridge and then I'll make the pizza and then you'll have the pizza later, okay? Alright. You don't wanna clean this poop. Sis. Ugh. I feel like I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna just add some more paper towel. Ugh. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Oh, Jesus, Lord, help me. Oh, Father God, help me.
I don't want my heart to feel this way again, and I just need a little more time to make sure what we're doing is right. Oh, I just
com cabelos cor de mel, singela. Seu nome é Mabel. É uma menina cheia de vida. Se vamos para a praia, não esquece a sandália e se olha pro céu. Se pudesse organizar, vai ser lá. Se a casa está vazia.
In all honesty, mornings are always crazy around here. Extremely crazy. I'm busy making brunch at this point. Oh, a fly. Pizza won't be pizza won't be breakfast anymore. It's brunch and people are hungry. People are hungry. So I need to do it as quickly as I can so that people can eat. But yeah, mornings are crazy. There's a whole lot of screaming about something, about a spider, about a bird. It's always something. I just never ever pick up the camera for it. I never pick up the camera for it because it's always like remorse. You know what I mean? Just do the breakfast thing quickly so people can eat. People need to eat. They don't care about vlogs. People just want to eat. So yeah. How's the pizza, girl? Am I disturbing you right now?
No.
Hey, hello, what are you eating?
Pizza.
Okay. Is it nice? Okay, what you having, girl?
Pizza.
Oh gosh, is it delicious? Ooh, who made you a pizza?
You, mommy.
Hello, don't just eat the toppings, eat the entire thing. He just ate his toppings and then put the rest in lettuce. Yes, take it back, lettuce. Ooh. People asking for more. It's a treat. I haven't even sat down to eat yet. Then have something else. Have biscuit, tea, something. That's my pizza. That's my pizza too. The chef. Why did you touch this? You touched it by me. Like you touched it purposely, knowing because we know that you don't wash your hands. Just take it. That was my pizza. And then you just grabbed it, knowing that I'm gonna let you have it because we know that you don't wash your hands. Looking all guilty, you're not. You did that. Yeah, she did that on purpose. She did it. Yeah, yesterday. Exactly.
It's like yogurt.
Then why it would rot?
But when you taste it,
Thank you, mommy.
you're still having the
Look, Mama, you're touching everything. You touched this one, we cut it, and then now you touch the one that's supposed to go to.
Honestly,
You, this one has cinnamon, so I don't want it.
I eat cinnamon. So. Is it glazed?
Yeah, it's glazed.
No, I'll have this one.
Which one? Ha! Remember, but you just had this one. She did that with the donuts yesterday as well. Hey, did you see that? Did you see that tray? Huh? I'm in my snake cuckoo era. I'm in. Cute. Talk to me that way.
Don't talk to me that way. Talk to me that way. 'Cause I think you're perfect for.
Guys, I time and the way she always makes an effort. Like, I love Snake Gogo. She gives her hubby like that king treatment all the time. Food always cooked nicely, like nicely plated in a tray, on a tray. Like drink in a jug, like everything is always like super. I love it, and she's consistent with it. She is consistent with it always. It's been like, I've been watching her for a long time, and she keeps at it. She's forever consistent with it, you know. But anyway, I grew up around my aunt, and I saw her do this like all my life, you know. And who would I be if I don't learn from her, you know? Who would I be? Because I literally grew up in her house from when I was 8 until I was 14, and I've seen her. And I've always said to myself that if I'm half, like, there's just no way I can be up to her standard. But I've always thought that if I'm just half the woman that she is, like in terms of homemaking and that kind of vibes, you know, then I would have made it. And I think I try. It's hard, but I try. I really do try. I just finished having my I've finished having my pizza and my thingy, and I'm just reading right now because it's still quiet. Kids are not writing tomorrow and stuff, and so everyone, I think Lalo's sleeping, that's why it's nice and quiet, and everybody else is playing games. Guys, my 4-year-old is into Roblox right now, and she knows these things, and like, she'll be like, they'll be sitting in the same room, one holding a different device and the other one is like, oh, can you see me? Well, they're talking about in the game, and then I hear a little voice, yes, I can see you, you know. So it's kind of cool. Honestly, I am not that mom, no screens or anything else. I saw a post recently, and you know, people were like, so this mom was like, do you know what screen, you know, what side effects screen gives? And then she says, you know, moms get done, you know, but they get stuff done, you know. And a whole lot of moms were like, yeah, and they started hammering, you know, like Bokeren. I am not a no screen person. Yes, I am a what are you doing on that screen and what are you watching kind of person. But hey, screen time sometimes gives me time to just sit and breathe, you know. So yeah, let them play their games. You know, back to back to when I was talking about my beloved aunt. I used to go through a time where I think I was struggling a lot with submission, and like I'd sit there and I'd think, oh my gosh, I used to have this thing, like every time it got a bit hard, I used to say, you know, what would auntie do? And then I'd be like, oh, and then it would give me strength. It would give me strength to wake up and do something I'm supposed to do, you know, in terms of household stuff. But you know, there's a lot of stuff that she has coached me in, you know, and stuff that when I think about, you know, like I remember my auntie telling me, you know, you must always have cooked food in the fridge. She always have cooked food in the fridge. And there was a time when I did that, and I saw how much help, you know, like how much it made my life a bit easy. And when I stopped doing it, you find yourself having to buy takeaways even when you don't have the money. And sometimes you literally, like, for me, like, there are times where I don't have the energy to wake up and cook, and I'm thinking, if I had listened to Aunt when she said I must always have something in the fridge, I would just warm the food up and everybody has a nicely cooked meal. But also right now with the load shedding, it's hard for us to keep food in the fridge and stuff. But that for me actually does make life easier, because you know, there's always something to eat in the fridge.
You're like a song that I sing in the morning on a perfect holiday. You're like the warmth of the sun on my skin when clouds look gray. You're like the joy of a trip that's coming to a place with ocean view. You're like an old familiar friend when all is new.
Honestly, I think I'm doing good with the book. I think I'm doing good. Yeah. I think I should be done by next week Friday. School holidays are like and that means I'll have more reading time and all that. And so yeah, should be done with it. It's been a long time coming, right? I can't wait to dig into tomorrow. But right now, after this book, I want to read light things. I want to read like love stories, but nothing that is steamy and spicy and stuff like that. But there's a video I saw of one of these book YouTubers that I like. She had a whole video where she discusses good romance books that are clean. Hopefully I'll find them in South Africa. You know, nothing that's like steamy and like I don't want to be reading like a pornographic book. I mean, that's why sometimes I struggle reading Colleen Hoover, because it gets a bit too steamy sometimes. It's like, come on, you know. But you know, I'd like to read good clean love stories, you know what I'm saying. So after this book, I think I'm gonna try get those. I really don't want nothing heavy and all that.
On a perfect holiday, you're like the warmth of the sun on my skin when clouds look gray. You're like the joy of a trip that's coming to a place with ocean views. You're like an old familiar friend when all is new. When all is new, you're
Can you please airdrop that thing to my computer? Yes, to my computer. Okay, but I'm gonna have to put on my computer so I can accept. So let me know when you're going to do it. Daddy wanted to take Hello and let it to work. So because Nchel is still sleeping, when he comes back from
he was waking up so like
leave him, Shem. I think he's too tired.
So now that he's sleeping, can I have the iPhone?
Yeah.
Ouch. Okay, I'll send it to you. Probably when you're done.